Hello and welcome to OneCoolTip.com. Cool tech tips for a cooler life. I'm Roger Mansfield. Have you ever found yourself staring at a jumbled mess of data in an Excel spreadsheet, wishing you could magically separate it into neat individual columns? Well, today's cool tip is Microsoft Excel's text to column feature. Text to column in Excel is a method that is used to separate text into different columns based on some delimited or a fixed width. So here's how to do it. Now I have an example of a series of first and last names that are all in one column. In this case, it's column A. And what I want to do is to separate the first names from the last names and put all the last names in column B. So what I want to do is either select the whole column, or in this case, I'm just going to select the rows that I want. I'm going to go ahead and go to Data, and then click on Text to Columns over here on the right in the Data Tools section. So let's do that. And now a wizard will pop up, and the first thing I can choose is to do it by delimited or by fixed width. Now, delimited means that I'm going to use a character such as a comma or a tab to identify where the data should be split. Or I could do it by fixed width. If I knew it's going to be 10 characters in always or 5 characters in, I could do fixed width. But in this example, I'm going to use delimited, and I'll click Next. And now I can choose my delimiters. And in this case, I do want it to be a space. And I can see down below in Data Preview that it has split the last names from the first names based on that space delimiter. And so that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And now I can actually change the column data format if I want to. And general is going to be just fine. So I can go ahead and click Finish. And now my data that was all in one column has been split into two. So my first names are in column A, and now my last names are in column B. And so that's it. It's really easy to do. And so Excel's text to columns feature is a powerful tool that can save you time and frustration when dealing with a complex set of data. So enjoy, and be sure to visit www.onecooltip.com for more cool tips. If you enjoy onecooltip.com, be sure to like this video and subscribe to One Cool Tip channel on YouTube.